dark and smoky room with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but I don't think that is what
where do I start? I'm just gonna jump straight at the point and put Lamborghini doors on. You've probably already seen a few clips and pictures of it on the internet already. I've put one on, so that one goes up. I'll put a little video in the clip of it because I've kind of parked right against the fence so I can work on the other side. Yes. When I did that side, I didn't really know what I was doing, so I didn't really want to record it because it took a lot longer than hopefully the other side should take. So I'm going to make a little instructions video on how to fit a Lamborghini door kit to an S13 for less than £200. So just to give people a chance if they want to have a go and see how it's done. But yeah, should be fun, so let's crack to it and get on with the job.
what do you usually do? You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time.
Right, so you need to get the bumper off. As you can see, there's bits of it all over, some behind the car. You need the bumper off so you can get to where the hinges bolt on. Where's that? And the wire in there. A few spiders webs in there that need cleaning up. We'll clean some of the surface rust off as well while we're in. But other than that, it's structurally sound, amazingly enough. Suppose I'll never wash it. Right, so next off is the door. Hopefully my butt will not be hanging out the whole time when I record this bit. Right, the plug you need for the wiring for the door is behind the ECU there. I've undone the top bolt from up there so I can pull it forward. I'm going to try and squeeze my digits in to get to it. So I'm going to put the camera down for a second while I get to it. So I found the connectors. 2 seconds, I'll zoom out. Same, they weren't down there beside the ECU. They were up beside the blower motor, so if you see where my finger's going there, that's one side of the plug. It just feeds along the edge there, round, down and out through the car. There's a zip tie in there, it's an absolute pig to get to, but once you get the zip tie off, it just feeds out, no bother. So next step, get the damn door off at last. Run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. Right, so when you've got the door off, next stage is to cut these big hinges off. Best thing you can do is take that off while you've got access to it. One less thing in the way. And also move the door rubber seal up so you don't end up setting it on fire. I would also put some over your window as well so you don't burn it with the sparks. So I just need to get some goggles on and I'll get it all cut off. Alright, here we go.
Quiet, all my thoughts run free. So I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, yeah.
Right, it's in place. They're all on little slots. So I can, he says, move backwards and forwards. Oh, I'm having a nightmare with this ratchet, like one hand is not going well. Right, so moves. Just gonna line the door up now.
In the quiet, all my thoughts run free. So I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back.
Right, next step is to cut it off from there all the way along the edge and up to there so that the door can clear on the hinge. So, trying not to fall over. I need to clean the wing up as well, as you can see. I'll get on with that now.
Burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, yeah.
Back on the car again, the weather's finally picked up as you can see by the sun outside. I haven't really done much other than cut the wing. You've seen the wing getting cut. I'm going to hold it in place and see if the door clears and go from there. Not a lot really happening other than that, just seeing how things fit and really showing you how to fit things, so should be all good and nice and quick because it is the second time since I've already done the other side. But yeah, I'll take it out there and put it in place and see how it goes. Wish me luck. Car's all back together. We'll have a quick look. I'm just taking some pictures now, see the final product. I'll let you have a little look around it in a minute. But yeah, if that was helpful, bang the like button, subscribe, and keep an eye out for the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.